Lawyers, what's the dumbest thing you've seen in court? I represented a woman who had just lost her license due to a speeding ticket. She came to me devastated since she couldn't drive anymore and couldn't take her mom to the hospital to get treatment. She told me she was going 30 miles per hour in a 30 zone when they pulled her over, but the officer claimed she was going 50. I thought it was odd, but I rolled with it. On the day of the trial, I asked the officer why he pulled my client over. I saw her speed past me going 50 in a 30 zone. We all watched the dash cam footage, and you could clearly see her not speeding. The officer persisted, however, saying he had to speed up to 40 just to catch up to her. This confused me even more, so I asked him one more time to be sure. So you're saying she was going 50 in a 30, and you had to go 40 to catch up? There's no doubt in your mind that's exactly what happened.